Hello, welcome back to Daily Driving School. In today's video, we are going to learn how to parallel park safely. Parallel parking is a really useful skill for any driver. It is also one of the 4 maneuvers that you will be asked to carry out on your driving test. A lot of people find it to be a tricky maneuver, so we are going to demonstrate how to parallel park and observe correctly with simple tips and tricks so you don't find this maneuver intimidating. We are also going to show you the common mistakes students do on their driving test while carrying out this maneuver. Step 1. Line up your vehicle after the space that you want. You should be about half of a door to a door's width away from the parked car. We are then going to prepare our vehicle, selecting reverse and handbrake down. We are going to observe all around our vehicle to make sure that it's nice and safe before we continue our maneuver. We will then reverse our car until the door mirror is aligned with the back tire of the parked car. We must do another observation around the vehicle so that we don't become a hazard to other road users when we are parallel parking. We'll now signal left to let other road users know our intention. Steer fully to the left until our steering wheel is fully locked. The front of our vehicle will swing out, so we must check all around and make sure there are no other road users. Once you see the curb disappear, forming a triangle shape, we must stop so that we don't hit the curb. Once we are happy with our positioning, we will now steer a full lock to the right. Knowing when to steer to the right is the key to a good parallel parking, as the timing of this turning will indicate how close we finish to the curb. We then steer one whole turn to the left to straighten our wheel, while making sure there is still some room between the car and the curb. Remember to adjust the car if you need to. If you find yourself away from the curb, try to tuck yourself in by steering to the left at 9 o'clock. You will see the gap between the car and the curb closing. We will then steer to 3 o'clock, and once we are happy with the positioning of our car, we will straighten our wheel back to 12 o'clock. You should be parked about 30 centimeters away from the curb. Once your vehicle is straightened, you must reverse back 2 car lengths to give yourself enough space to later move off safely. Observe all around your vehicle. Reverse until our door mirror is aligned with the back tire of the parked car. Signal. Steer fully to the left until the steering wheel is fully locked. Once the curb disappears and you see a triangle shape between the car and the curb, steer fully to the right until our steering wheel is fully locked. Straighten your wheel by turning one whole turn to the left, park, and handbrake up. Common mistakes. Not coming to a full stop when other road users are approaching during your maneuver. Hitting the curb in not making use of your left door mirror, not fully observing all around your vehicle, parking far away from the curb. We have come to the end of the video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you in our next one.